Hello, this is a brief description of an open hardware FPGA project. The ongoing chip shortage has made hobbyist-friendly FPGA boards difficult to obtain and very expensive when they can be purchased. This board was designed to address these problems. The board uses an Infinity Trion T20 FPGA. The FPGA has approximately 20,000 logic elements and 102 kilobytes of on-chip RAM. There are also 3 phase lock loops for generating clocks. The FPGA used in this project is a 144-pin PQFP device with 0.5 mm lead pitch. Please refer to the Infinity website for more specific information on the chip. This is how the board was received from PCBWay. The build quality is very good to excellent. I've used 3 of these boards in a personal project and each of them worked flawlessly from the first power on. The board has a USB microconnector for power, a power connector to feed 5 volts and ground to or from a carrier board. There is a JTAG header, a configuration switch, a power on LED, a configuration done LED, a user push button, a user LED, and image select jumpers. There are 4 26-pin connectors that break out most of the available user I/O pins and provide 3.3 volts to user circuits on carrier boards. The 3.3 volts is limited to a maximum of 500 milliamps, which must supply both the FPGA and any user circuits. It is highly recommended that the user provide a separate power supply for any application circuits that require substantial current. The board contains also the FPGA, voltage regulators, a 50 MHz oscillator, and a configuration flash. The board is 4 layers to provide power and ground planes and is double-sided surface mount. The back side of the board is dedicated to bypass capacitors and some power supply conditioning. This board was designed to be populated with a Trion T8 FPGA as well, but this has not been tested. The layout spacing is generous to allow for hand assembling the board if desired. The only troublesome component will be the oscillator module, but the remaining components are easily hand solderable for any hobbyist comfortable with 0402 and 0.5 mm pitch surface mount components. The through-hole connectors are intentionally not listed in the bill of materials. This is to allow the user maximum flexibility in the design of the carrier board by specifying their own connectors. The board design software is Altium Circuit Studio. Zip file on the PCBWay website contains the schematics in PDF format, BOM in Excel format, and the Gerber and drill files. The cost of these boards was approximately $60 USD for 5 boards. Using the calculator on the PCBWay website, the cost of 10 boards drops to about 55 USD and 100 boards drops to approximately 38 USD. As I noted, I have already used this board in a personal project. This is a video board for a Timex 2068 retro computer. The FPGA board is mounted here and is used to provide the bus interface and VGA video signals as well as other functionality. Note that I do not intend to market or sell these boards. They can, however, be ordered from PCBWay. Since this is an open hardware project, anyone is free to order and sell these boards. A free version of the FPGA design software is available on the Infinity website. I hope this board will be useful to the community. Thank you.